In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GCash to Maya. Let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth as possible. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. This is your starting point for transferring funds. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not, simply enter your credentials. Having your app ready ensures that you're all set to proceed with sending money. Once you have the app open, look for the option that says Send Money. This is typically on the main screen of the app. Tap on it to move forward. Sending money is one of the primary features of GCash, making it quick and easy to transfer funds to other platforms. From there, select Bank Transfer. This option allows you to send money to different banks and digital wallets, including Maya. Bank transfers are reliable and secure, so you can trust that your money will get to its destination safely. Next up, tap View All. This will show you a complete list of banks and digital wallets available for transfer. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to quickly find your desired platform. This feature saves time, especially if you're familiar with the name of the recipient's bank or wallet. Search for and select Maya Philippines Inc., also known as Maya Wallet. This is the correct option for transferring funds to a Maya account. Selecting the right recipient ensures that your money goes to the right place, avoiding any potential mishaps. Now, enter the recipient's Maya mobile number. Double-check to make sure it's accurate. Any typo here could mean sending money to the wrong person. It's always a good idea to verify this information with the recipient before proceeding. Type the amount you wish to send. Ensure it matches what you have agreed upon or intended. Whether it's a small or large amount, every transfer counts, so it's crucial to be precise. Remember, once the money is sent, it's not easy to reverse the transaction. After that, review the details carefully. This step is essential to confirm all the information entered is correct. Check the recipient's number, the amount, and the name on the account. Reviewing these details helps prevent errors and provides peace of mind. Once you are confident everything is correct, tap Send or Confirm. This action will initiate the transfer. You will often see a confirmation message appear, assuring you that the transaction is being processed. This final step is like sealing the deal, ensuring your money is on its way. And there you have it. You've successfully sent money from GCash to Maya. With practice, this process becomes second nature, allowing you to manage your finances efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy transferring.